welcome to Twist Fashion. So I got these nail markers and I think they're pretty good. You get 12 in a box. You start off by shaking it really well and pressing down on the nib, till the ink comes out. So I'm just going to do a little bow on this one. Oh, I just splattered it everywhere. What do you think? Do a French tip. They're really easy to use. Oh my God. And I got these from the TikTok shop. So if you go on my TikTok profile, they should be in my storefront. That's pretty nice. Star. They're really easy to do. Stars like that. Twinkling lights. Or like that one. Just do polka dots. Let me know what you think. Bye.